diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder. Today I'm here to unbox a very special friend mail package from the delightful Robyn at Distracted by Diamonds and PaddyWaxx. Now Robyn and I became good friends when we did the Drills and Chills event together last year. She is hilarious. She has done so many sweet things for me. Robyn, thank you so much for this beautifully purple package. And I'm going to share something really, really exciting with all of you here in just a moment. So I hope you've all been well. It's been a long time since I did anything other than like instructional videos here on the channel, it feels like. So I plan to pop in soon with a whip and chat and just share how things are going. But let's get into this. Let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh. I think I already know. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Okay, you guys. Robyn always wraps things so beautifully. So, oh my gosh, there's so much cuteness in here, but there's a letter too. Let's see. Dear friend, I had so much fun concocting Jessica's garden. I'm about to tell you about that. My daughter Rachel even made you special labels. I know all my PaddyWaxx peeps will love it. Also find enclosed a special edition floral tin of my newest blend, Super Sticky PaddyWaxx, made just for the single placer. Thank you, Robyn. Perfect for all of that confetti in your water house. Yes, it is. As soon as you unbag this, Jessica's garden will be available in my Etsy shop for a limited time. Please enjoy in good health and happiness. Your friend Robyn, aka that chick that makes the PaddyWaxx. All right, you guys, here's the story. So Robyn and I were just talking a couple weeks back, and I said, hey Robyn, might you be willing to collaborate to bring something a little extra special to all of my viewers on Tiny Worlds of Wonder? And she said, of course, only for you. And I was super excited. I asked if she would make me a special edition personalized PaddyWaxx scent with sort of all my favorite smells in it, and she kindly agreed and named it Jessica's Garden. So you guys, this PaddyWaxx smells heavenly. It is a combination of rose hips and peach. It's a brand new scent that she's never combined before, and it's going to be available just until it's sold out. So this is truly a limited edition PaddyWaxx. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Robyn. I'm over the moon with this. So I'll put a link to Robyn's Etsy shop down below in the description so you can find your own limited edition Jessica's Garden PaddyWaxx. I'm thrilled. Of course, Robyn packs everything with just extra goodies, which is one of my favorite things about ordering from PaddyWaxx. We have Daisy Sweet Mango sample, some candy, yum, some stickers, oh I love, Persist, that's amazing, and a personalized flamingo sticker. Thanks, Robyn, that's awesome. I have quite the collection going on my easel. And this Super Sticky PaddyWaxx, oh my gosh, it has little heart cover minders in the lid. How cute are those? Oh, happy Valentine's, Robyn. Those are just adorable. And this Super Sticky wax is amazing. I'm gonna demo this for you guys really, really soon. Thank you so much, Robyn, for a beautiful little tin of it to try out. That is just awesome. Awesome. Now here's maybe the best part of this friend mail package, you guys. The best part is that I'm gonna share the love with you. Actually, Robyn is gonna share the love with you because she sent me a second package, which I've already peeked at. And in this package, there are 5 extra bars of Jessica's Garden so that I can give these away to you, my beautiful subscribers. So let's do a giveaway, shall we? here's what I'd like to do. Now, make sure you head over to the Etsy shop and get one of these because I think they're gonna go fast. But if you can't snag one, hopefully I can give one to you. Would you please comment below with either your favorite thing about PaddyWaxx or just your favorite scent in general. And I'm gonna leave those comments open until February 21st, at which point I'm going to draw with a random number generator 5 winners, okay? So February 21st is gonna be the deadline, like I said, to get your very own Jessica's Garden PaddyWaxx, provided by Robyn at PaddyWaxx and mailed by me. Thank you so much, Robyn. I am just over the moon about this. This smells so good, you guys. And of course, as always, Robyn stuck in a couple little extra goodies, which I will randomly distribute throughout the giveaway as well. So this is a short and sweet video today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this exciting news. I'm really excited about it. Robyn, you're an amazing friend. Thank you so much for doing this. Make sure you get your comments in below before February 21st. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.